Well, I'd like the kid found guilty, and the laws are what they are, and he'll get what's coming to him.
The trial finally began today in Oshawa of the 13-year-old boy who stands charged of the assault and robbery of Mitchell Wilson, the child with muscular dystrophy who was so terrified of facing his accuser in court that he committed suicide on Labor Day.
What was it like to be in court today?
It was good to get things started. I thought things were going to move a little faster, but the defense decided to keep things slow and drag things out. So, it was nice to get things started, but I would have liked to see it finish today for sure.
The boy's lawyer was trying to get the proceedings halted and the charges dropped because Mitchell Wilson is no longer here to testify against him, and he's arguing that his statements should not be allowed to be used from the grave. The court heard testimony from Mitchell's stepmother, who told the judge how Mitchell had been assaulted that day of November 1st, 2010, while out for one of his walks, and had been robbed of his iPhone. The boy, a few days later, had identified a fellow student when he saw him in the office at school.
He didn't want to have to see him again, for sure. The guy who beat you up, you want to stay away from that guy because he beat you up, right?
Court will reconvene on February 7th, 2012 for the hearing to continue and for the judge to decide whether Mitchell Wilson's testimony will be allowed. For Sun News Network, I'm Michelle Mandel.